So in this video I'll teach you how to pass data in React from one page to another. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले क्या होगा कि assume I have this component, मैंने पहले से बना के रखा है, ठीक है. तो I have this home component or a page, and in this home page I have this contact variable. और मुझे ये contact variable को pass करना है to a different React page. Okay, so how do we do that? That is the question. So in this contact variable I have this value. Now let's try to visualize यहाँ पे दिख क्या रहा है वहाँ पर. Okay, तो assume, okay, let me see how. तो ये हमारा होम पेज है. तो ये जो होम है, let's visualize that. So this home page is like this. Okay, and whatever we are going to return, that will be shown here. So we are returning user contact. Now understand the main issue or the topic here is passing data. So I have to pass this data, but where do I have to pass this data? Do I have to show it on my home page? Okay, no. So understand the flow first. Okay, this is very important. So my data is here. I'm getting my data here on this home page. Contact is my data. I'm getting this data on my home page, but this is my home page. It has user, and then the user has user info. Okay, so I have this data here, then I have user, and my user info is connected with user, and here I have to show this contact data. Okay, in this user info I have to show this contact data. Now understand that I am not showing this data here. I don't want to show my contact data here. I want to show it here, but the data is present here, and these two things, home and user info, are not directly connected. Okay, so this is the biggest problem of props. Props is the way which we are using to pass data. Although we do not use it always, because you can see the problem that if I want to send this contact data, let's say CD, which is present in home. Okay, so I want to send this data to user info, but since they are not directly connected, I cannot send this data. So what I have to do, I have to send this data to user from home, and then from user to have to send this to user info, and I do not want to show it here on this user. So what is home doing? Home is showing user to you. So whatever the user has, it will show you here on this home page. So assume this is a home page. Okay, so whatever is being returned in home page will be visible here. So user is returning here, like being returned, but we are not showing the contact. Okay, we are passing the contact. This is how we pass data. Okay, the important stuff. So this is how we pass data. We have this contact. Okay, so I'm taking a variable contact and I'm storing the value of contact inside this and passing it all together to user. Okay, now see, let's see what user has. Okay, this is a home page and we have just returned this user. So now whatever the user has, it will be visible here. So this is my user. Okay. It's visible. No, it's visible. Yeah. So fine. So let's just focus here, okay, on this point, code point. So this user has received the data which we passed. Okay, we passed this contact and then we received it here. Okay, this is how it is working. We pass it from that, and then we are receiving it as a parameter. So we have our contact here, and now if we wish, we could use it here. We can return it here. We can use it, okay, to show the data here visible. We can receive it. So now the home was showing you the user data which it was returning, and now user is returning user info. That's what the execution was like, right? Like here, if you remember, home was showing user, and user is showing user info. So user is now returning user info, and we have to show this data, contact data on user info. So we have passed a new variable named Chandu together, like here. In the same way, we have passed the name value and the received value, the contact value again to user info, and we are showing user info in user. Like that's what we are returning. Okay. Now this is all about passing this data. We are again passing this data. Name equal to name. The value of name is here, and contact equal to contact. So this contact is there. This is how we have received it. Okay. This is how we have to receive it. So this is passing. This is how we pass data. Okay, and this is how we receive it. So once again, okay. So name is here because this has both the example of passing and receiving. So name is here. So name I have passed to user info, a new page like this, name equal to name, and this is how I receive it in parameters. It is also coming from another page which was home page. Now how do we use it? So again I have received name and contact. This is my user info page. Okay, so I have received both of them here in the form of parameter like this. Okay, so I have received it here, and now I am returning it. I'm using it, name and contact. I'm using it here in this return. So that's how it will be visible, name and contact. So now I'm using it. So it is receiving and using.